Welcome to our video on Oracle Database 19c new features for DBAs and developers. In this video, we will explore the exciting new features and enhancements that Oracle Database 19c offers to help you streamline your database management and development tasks. Let's dive in and discover the latest innovations in Oracle Database 19c. Database in-memory wait on Populat. When using the DBMS in-memory admin.populate command, the wait function will hold off until a certain percentage of objects with a given priority have been populated. Oracle Database 19c introduces new features to support resource usage limitations in Oracle Data Pump. The max_data_pump_jobs_per_job parameter allows you to limit the number of jobs in multi-tenant container databases, with a default value of 100 and a range of 0 to 250, or an automatic setting of 50% of sessions. Additionally, the max_data_pump_parallel_per_job parameter controls the parallel workers for data pump jobs. These enhancements provide improved resource control for concurrent data pump jobs. Transparent online conversion support for auto-renaming in non-Oracle managed files mode. Starting with this release, the file_name_convert clause is no longer required for transparent data encryption online conversion in non-Oracle managed files mode. The file maintains its original name. This enhancement helps prevent the need to rename files to their original names, thus avoiding the risk of missing files. Automatic indexing in Oracle Database 19c introduces a new approach to index creation. Using machine learning algorithms, it identifies and creates indexes on tables. The DBMS_auto_index package automatically generates candidate indexes for tables, which are then tested and verified by Oracle Database for improved query performance. Successful indexes are then applied for use in applications. Active Data Guard in Oracle Database 19c now supports DML redirection for read-write workloads. Active Data Guard standby databases allow DML operations. Applications can gain from using an Active Data Guard standby database with writes. DML redirection aids load balancing between primary and standby databases. Incidental DML on a standby database is executed on the primary database. The redo updates the standby database and control is returned to the application. Oracle Data Guard automatically resolves outages by detecting and terminating hung processes. The parameters data_guard_max_io_time and data_guard_max_longio_time can be used to tune wait times for specific Oracle Data Guard configurations based on user network and disk I/O behavior. Oracle Database 19c introduces a new feature called SQL Quarantines. This feature is part of Oracle's Resource Manager, which automatically identifies and isolates resource-heavy SQL queries. The DBMS_SQLQ package allows you to set thresholds for quarantining SQL statements, providing greater control over query performance and resource allocation. When using the DBMS in-memory admin.populate command, the wait function will hold off until a certain percentage of objects with a given priority have been populated. In a multi-tenant environment, the Automatic Database Diagnostic Monitor (ADDM) analysis can be utilized for pluggable databases (PDBs). This feature allows for comprehensive performance analysis and tuning specifically tailored to the individual pluggable databases within the Oracle Database 19c. With the support for pluggable databases, DBAs and developers can gain valuable insights into the performance of each PDB, enabling them to optimize and fine-tune the database resources for maximum efficiency and reliability. The max_idle_blocker_time parameter determines the idle time limit for terminating sessions with needed resources. It's important to note that max_idle_time limits all idle sessions, while max_idle_blocker_time specifically targets idle sessions consuming resources. This distinction is crucial because max_idle_time can potentially cause issues for connection pools by repeatedly recreating terminated sessions. The new alter system clause flash password file_metadata_cache is a valuable addition to Oracle Database 19c. It allows for the refreshing of the metadata cache with the latest details of the database password file, particularly useful when the file name or location is changed. Starting with this release, the need for the file_name_convert clause for transparent data encryption online conversion in non-Oracle managed files mode is eliminated. The file maintains its original name. This enhancement prevents the hassle of renaming files back to their original names, thus avoiding the risk of missing files. In this release, Oracle Database 19c introduces support for additional encryption algorithms for offline tablespace encryption. Previously, only AES 128 encryption was supported, but now AES 192, AES 256, ARIA, GOST, and 3DES encryption algorithms are also supported. This enhancement addresses concerns related to auxiliary space usage in online tablespace encryption, providing more flexibility and security for data protection. Oracle Database 19c introduces a significant change: schema-only accounts no longer have passwords for authentication. This enhancement does not affect the sample schemas, as default passwords will continue to exist for them. Oracle Clusterware provides cluster-based failover for standard edition Oracle databases. This high-availability feature leverages Oracle Grid Infrastructure's cluster capabilities and storage solutions such as Oracle Clusterware, Oracle ASM, and Oracle ACFS. The standby database in Oracle Data Guard can be automatically flashed back during a primary database flashback operation. Flashback operation on primary database desynchronizes standby. Previous releases required specific steps to sync the standby with the primary. This feature allows for automatic flashback of the standby database during a primary database flashback. It saves time, effort, and reduces errors, resulting in faster synchronization and reduced recovery time. The latest Oracle Database 19c introduces a significant enhancement where the in-memory column store and Data Guard multi-instance redo apply can now be enabled together on an active Data Guard standby. This means that the two features, which were previously exclusive, can now work in tandem to deliver optimal performance. With this update, users can leverage the fastest redo apply and analytical query technologies on the same active Data Guard standby, thereby speeding up apply using in-memory column store. This enhancement brings a new level of efficiency and performance to database management and is a key feature for DBAs and developers to leverage in their Oracle Database 19c deployments. Oracle Data Guard automatically resolves outages by detecting and terminating hung processes. Use the parameters data_guard_max_io_time and data_guard_max_longio_time to tune wait times for specific Oracle Data Guard configurations based on user network and disk I/O behavior. Oracle Database 19c introduces real-time statistics, which automatically collects statistics during DML operations. This enhancement addresses the issue of stale statistics between DBMS_stats jobs, ensuring that current statistics enhance plan optimization. Hybrid partition tables in Oracle Database 19c offer a significant enhancement to partitioning. This feature allows partitions to be stored in both Oracle database segments and external files, improving partitioning for big data SQL with external partitions. Additionally, hybrid partition tables combine internal and external partitions in one table, enabling the movement of non-active partitions to cheaper storage solutions. DBCA's Create Duplicate DB command allows for the creation of a silent duplicate of an Oracle database. This feature enables developers to work on identical copies of an Oracle database, facilitating seamless development and testing. In Oracle Database 19c onwards, the client software is available for download as an image file. Simply extract the image software into your desired directory and run the Run Installer script to install the Oracle Database client. This provides a simplified and efficient installation process. Additionally, the Oracle Database client installation files are still offered in the non-image zip format, providing flexibility for different installation preferences. The Oracle Database 19c installer now offers automatic setup of permissions for root configuration scripts during installation. This feature allows for the automated execution of root configuration scripts, simplifying the database installation process and preventing permission errors. DBAs and developers can still manually run the root configuration scripts if needed. Starting with Oracle Grid Infrastructure 19c, the grid setup.sh is used for installation. the wizard checks if your system is ready for upgrade in dry run mode. This mode does not execute upgrades. Anticipating system setup problems helps avoid upgrade failures. The new emit_encryption_clause parameter in data pump allows for the exclusion of encryption clauses for objects with encrypted columns. This enhancement simplifies the migration of non-cloud databases with encrypted columns to Oracle Cloud. AutoUpgrade for Oracle Database allows for the seamless upgrading of multiple Oracle Database instances with a single command and configuration file. It handles pre-upgrade tasks, automated fix-ups, and post-upgrade tasks, offering features such as automatic retry, scheduled upgrades, and customizable initialization parameters. The Oracle Data Pump Test Mode for Transportable Tablespaces feature provides valuable capabilities for DBAs and developers. With this feature, you can accurately determine export duration and uncover unreported issues, enhancing the efficiency of your database operations. Additionally, the test mode exports metadata only or performs full transportable export-import without requiring read-only mode for the source database table spaces, simplifying the export process and reducing potential disruptions. This feature empowers you to streamline your database management and ensure seamless data transfer. Multiple table families can be created in a sharded database, each with a different sharding key. This allows one sharded database to host multiple applications accessing different table families. It's important to note that only system-managed sharded databases have this feature. In Oracle Database 19c, the JSON Update Operations feature introduces the ability to update JSON documents using the SQL function JSON_mergepatch, allowing changes to be applied to multiple documents with a single statement. This enhancement significantly improves the flexibility of JSON updates. The end of lesson. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like our video, then kindly share it and like it.